Woolworth on 5th is one of Nashville's many iconic eateries. Check out this never-before-seen content to see how Tennessee Valley Uncharted takes a bite out of the Nashville culinary scene. I'm so excited to be here. This is my first time. You started the restoration process like a year ago? I mean, I imagine it was a pretty big undertaking.
Well, for 20 years it had been a Dollar General. We just started this process of discovery where rip something out. Look at this, it's still here. Look at this, it's still here. So, and it, you know, it served as a model. So when we recreated colors or the paneling, we already had specimens of what was actually here. It was a whole Art Deco feel. Growing up here in Nashville with 10 kids was the place my mother took us if we were good when we came downtown to shop. For me, growing up here, it had a very pleasant interpretation. For others, it was, you know, a much more harsh reality when something as basic as sitting at the counter and getting something to eat was not allowed.
Yeah.
So,
you know, this place does have a lot of history.
A lot of the civil rights movement was thought out and taught here, really, at these colleges and universities. John Lewis was a Fisk University graduate, and he was arrested for the first time right over here at the lunch counter at a 50 arrest. It's really inspirational. The way they taught the protesters. They dressed very nicely. They were taught not to provoke or to respond, but they would sit there and just take the abuse, and they would have leaders, team leaders, that would come and intercede on their behalf or talk. It's pretty remarkable history, and it's why this building needed to be saved, because it tells the story just by the walls.
When you walk in, I mean, I think you feel this sense of just history and what do you want them to take away?
We never wanted it to be a museum, but what these people sat in for was just a basic right, you know, to sit and eat lunch or dinner. And so what they sat in for, we stand up for. So in essence, we want this to be a welcome table for anybody that wants to come and eat.
Absolutely.
And we don't want to hijack the history, but we do want people to respect it.
Yeah. Hey guys, what's up? That was such an amazing experience. If you liked our video, please give it a thumbs up. Click the like button, click subscribe, share it with your friends and family. We want you to stay tuned in to what we have going on because it's always awesome. And I need you to follow our social media pages and check out our website. Until next time, stay juicy.